In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt in Jira to improve your productivity and collaboration with AI chatbot capabilities. If you've ever wondered how to integrate advanced AI tools into your teamwork processes to streamline your workflow, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, you'll want to visit the Atlassian website. This is where you'll access all the collaborative tools offered by Atlassian, including Jira. It's the go-to platform for software developers, IT professionals, and business teams, so navigating to their site is your first step. Once you're there, look for the Sign In option. It's crucial to sign in with your account to access your personalized dashboard and all available apps. After you've logged in, head over to Jira Home. This space is designed to provide an overview of your active projects and tasks, offering a centralized place to manage your work and track progress. It's an excellent feature of Jira that can help keep your team aligned and focused on their goals. Now, pay attention to the navigation bar and locate the Apps section. Clicking on this will open up a new world of possibilities. Once you've accessed the Apps directory, find the Explore More Apps option. This is where Jira showcases a wide variety of integrations and plugins that can enhance your Jira experience. Tapping into these resources can significantly improve both the ease and efficiency of your workflow. Now comes the crucial part, searching for Chatgpt. Type Chatgpt into the search bar. This step will bring up all available applications related to Chatgpt, allowing you to find tools that suit your team's unique needs. Once the search results appear, look for Chatgpt and click on it. This will bring up the app's details, including what it does and how it can be used to improve your Jira experience. The integration of Chatgpt in your Jira environment provides numerous benefits. It can help automate routine inquiries, generate insightful reports, or even assist in project management tasks. Chatgpt can serve as both a virtual assistant and a collaboration partner, helping you make data-driven decisions faster. Why is incorporating Chatgpt into Jira a game changer? Integrating AI ensures that your team reduces time spent on repetitive manual tasks, thereby boosting productivity and allowing more time for strategic thinking and problem solving. It's tailor-made for enhancing communication, from providing quick answers to common questions to offering advice on project management issues. In conclusion, using Chatgpt in Jira can transform how your team collaborates and works. It's about making your projects run smoother while increasing efficiency and productivity. With these steps, you're now well-equipped to leverage AI's power within Jira, ensuring your team stays on the cutting edge of innovation. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment with this tool, as it can significantly reshape your workflow and lead to more aligned and effective teamwork. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Chatgpt in Jira.